Hey guys, and today we're going to the part 5 of the thunderstorms. So we're going to be quiet the whole video, starting now. It's going to be loud. I hear it from now. No. Oh. I know I'm going to see lightning strike. I mean. And guys, it's almost Halloween time. Whoa! That one was a bright one. Who's in the back? Oh guys, do you hear thunder? Comment down below if you do. So I hear a lot. Thunder. Ooh. Whoa! Oh my god. Whoa, did you hear that? Let's get up and I'm going more back in case lightning, Guys, is this a real thunderstorm? Do you hear my puppy barking? The a bee. I mean my think. I don't know. Oh, that. We should go inside. No, I want to do this video.
It's stronger back there.
I know. We even see lightning. It might miss us though. And if it does, it might not. Because look at this. Comment down below if you hear thunder, guys. Oh, did you see that, guys? I'm going more back. At your car. Oh. I know I'm going to see lightning. Like, yeah, a bee. I mean a bug again. You stupid bugs. Stop it. I know. Bugs. Yeah, it is getting louder. Planes should be low. See what time it is. It's only 6:48 and this is happening. I think that's Gino there. He's talking to someone. Do you see lightning? I saw, like a lot. Stupid bugs, they're in my way. So, yeah, it is getting louder. I know we're going to see a lightning strike right at us. Like, so look at that. Oh my God, did you see that?
Yeah, it's getting like going.
Okay, we're going to be at the window there looking at that. Be quiet. Nine minutes I was doing this. It's getting worse. Let me sit on the stair. What happened? It's coming here. No, it's not raining yet, guys. It's coming closer. Look at this. This is my dad. Say hi.
Hi.
Did he? There's like, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So I know it's coming. This is the one. Guys, this is the one. The one that's the worst one in the world. No. The worst one of the videos we made. Oh my God. So look up there. I'll go there. The wind. They probably like feel the wind through the camera. Oh guys, did you see that one? Sorry. Mommy should look at this. Something down there, it's like, you see where the...
Starting to rain.
Okay guys, it's starting to rain. The clouds are getting closer. Oh man, let's go, yeah. Guys, the rain started. Look at this, guys. You heard thunder, look. It's starting to rain. Oh my God. Look at this. Let's go in the back. Guys, we might lose power. Look at this. This is the one that we might lose power on. This one. This one is like... The lights started to go on. Oh my God, it's 12 minutes we were doing this. So, this is the one we might lose power on, guys. We might. I'm not saying we will, but we might. We might lose power, guys. Look at this, down there. Down there is worse. Down there it's coming, look, it's already all over us. It's all over us, guys. And the winds are going. This one might last all night. And I'll come back to the same video when the lights go out. Because the lights might go out. Like, we're not sure, but the lights might come out. Like, look at that. Oh. You saw lightning more in the front there. So guys, I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and like. And see you when we lose power. Peace out.